This mazurka feels regal. It's poised, elegant, and full of quiet authority, like someone who leads not by shouting but by presence. It's tender, introspective, full of memories, like someone dancing alone, lost in thought. The rhythm should feel proud but never sluggish. Keep the tempo moving but grounded. It's a stately dance, not a march. Don't treat the opening like a formal phrase. Let it unfold like a conversation with yourself, sometimes hesitant, sometimes flowing. Rubato is essential here, but always rooted in the shape of the phrase. Give the melody space to grow, to rise and settle naturally. Also be sure to breathe at the right times for the right musical questions to be asked. The left hand is subtle. It should never intrude. Balance is everything. Let it give just enough rhythm and harmony to let the top voice float. The trio section offers a gentler color, but don't let it lose shape. It should feel like a memory, flowing but firm. Chopin's harmonies are intimate, sometimes unexpected, always expressive. Use touch, pedaling, and timing to make each turn meaningful. Let them feel like emotional afterthoughts. Things are felt, not explained. When the opening returns, it carries more weight. Don't rush it. Play it as if something has changed, as if the music has found its voice. The final measures feel like a memory slipping away. Play them with delicacy. It should feel like the end of a thought, not the end of a piece. This mazurka is a portrait of inner confidence. Play it with calm rhythm, noble tone, and phrasing that breathes. And you'll hear the elegance hidden in its dance. If you let your phrasing breathe, you'll find poetry in every pause. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon, and have an amazing day.